When dealing with international trade and finance, SWIFT messages play a crucial role in facilitating secure and structured communication between banks. One such message type that often comes into play in trade finance, especially in the context of letters of credit, is the MT707 SWIFT message. So what exactly is an MT707 SWIFT message? In simple terms, Montana 707 is a letter of credit amendment message used by banks to convey updates or modifications related to an existing documentary credit or letter of credit. This message supplements the original MT700, which is the standard SWIFT format for issuing a letter of credit, and ensures that all concerned parties are aware of the changes. Let's say a letter of credit has already been issued by a bank using MT700, and the buyer and seller agree to change certain terms. Maybe they want to extend the expiry date, modify the shipment details, or update the beneficiary's information. In such cases, the issuing bank sends an MT707 to notify the advising or confirming bank about these amendments. So it's important to note that the MT707 doesn't stand alone. It always refers back to the original MT700. Think of it as a continuation message, making sure there's clarity, compliance, and a smooth flow in the whole documentary credit process. The MT707 message includes specific fields such as the amendment number, the date of amendment, revised terms, and references to the original letter of credit. These details really help ensure that both the importers and exporters banks are on the same page about any modifications, which in turn minimizes risks and delays. For businesses involved in global trade, understanding how an MT707 SWIFT message works is actually essential. It promotes transparency and helps everyone manage the documentary credit process a lot better. Errors or delays in amendments can, lead to some pretty serious consequences, like delayed shipments, payment issues, or even contract breaches. In a world where cross-border transactions are growing so rapidly, every amendment and message really does matter. The MT707 ensures that changes to a letter of credit are communicated efficiently, supporting trust between all parties in the transaction. So in conclusion, the MT707 SWIFT message is a vital tool in the life cycle of a letter of credit, enabling banks to securely and formally process amendments and keeping global trade smooth and compliant.